can find that school already is completed 20 years and it's been 21st year running, right? And some of the biennial, non-biennial has been conducted today. So what would you say, sir?
Yes, first of all, I would like to thank you all for coming over here and covering the footage. Since the inception of school in the year 2006, the school had been continuously trying to endeavor all our students to the best possible ways. And we have been catering our students so that they can go ahead with their new innovations or scientific temperament within them. And since this is the ninth year, on alternative basis, we are conducting the programs. And every year there is a huge number of models that are being displayed. And this year also in science segment, near about 135 models have been exhibited by students from class 5 to class 10. And we feel it quite a remarkable achievement for us because I would like to mention the fact that we have been organizing these sorts of events with more than 100 models every time. And in the entire district, many schools might be organizing science exhibitions, but we are quite sure that no school has exhibited more than 100 or as like us. And it will be our continuous endeavor to make our students grow more and more. In the coming days, we are in a continuous process that more and more numbers of models can be procured.
What would you say, sir? Being your student, we have been go through them. We can find that the way of talking and the way of behavior is very disciplined. How do you maintain that? Being your managing director.
In our school, we have, being an English medium school, we have always tried that our students learn English. This is the first preference that has been given. And as you all are aware, in this competitive world, then if they come out of this small place like Tangla, if they need to go out, they will find a lot of competitions. And definitely this competition, they have to compete. And therefore, language comes a first criteria. And for this, English is the language. And being an English medium school, we have always given preference that our students should learn English. And accordingly, our principal sir has also been instigating our students always to speak in English. And as you can see, our students are exhibiting their models, and at the same time they are giving their presentations in English. This is the platform they are getting, and probably due to the continuous practice or continuous atmosphere of speaking in English, they are now being able to present themselves in a much beautiful manner. And it is a continuous process that we are trying since the inception. We have been continuously putting on this stress that they should exhibit in the best performing way. The discipline is one of the most important criteria that we always focus on. Moreover, the way of speaking, the gesture, body language, everything is counted, because in a school, when you are there, only confining yourself in a particular room is not all enough. You have to know the world. You have to become a good citizen. That is overall what we mean as education, and we are focusing on that aspect. We are not only triggering our students to confine within the classroom and just learn their basic bookish knowledge. Apart from bookish knowledge, we want to provide the overall education that is required to become a perfect citizen. That is which we have always tried.
Entered Assam state, or we can say entered Uttar district. Many people they used to say English medium, but none more above that. Some of the people or students that doesn't speak English, but very perfect. We have to say the Orange school is very perfect. There are many schools are there in Tangla, but if we compare, we have seen with our own eye. It's very we have to say that high. What do you say, sir?
See, regarding other school, I won't speak what is their way they may be dealing. But thing is that we always encourage our students to compete amongst themselves. Rather than you compete with others, you compete amongst yourself. How much you are capable. How much you are capable always thinks. Even we have set up a mentality for our students that do not see what others are doing. Look at yourself as what you are doing. And that is a continuous process that we have, because we don't want to make anyone jealous. We don't want to make demotivated anyone. Let the students get motivated on their own, how much they are capable of doing themselves. That is the thing, and they have proved it. and accordingly, that is the belief that we keep, and accordingly our students are doing well. Our students are not only exhibiting these models confined within the school jurisdiction. Many of our students have exhibited various types of models in various state and national levels too. Since the inception of the schools in various categories conducted by state or by central, various programs like National Children's Science Congress, Aryabhatta Science Congress, all these programs, in each and every program our students are participating, and our students have brought laurels for in the name of the school, and we are really proud of them, and we want to say that whatever our students are doing, we are really proud of them.
What would you say, sir? That being you are a managing director,
Yeah.
how do you take the workload? It's not a small amount, but huge amount. We have to say that there are so many students, that thousands above we have come to know. How do you run such a huge amount of students?
This is, first of all, designation does not come in between. This is a teamwork what is required, because it cannot be a one-man show. That school, we are working as a team. Every teacher is working dedicatedly. They are giving their fullest. They have got their respective subjects. They have their respective knowledge, and accordingly they are imparting to their best. This is a complete teamwork, and that is why the reason, the success, whatever we have received till now, and whatever success we are expecting for the future, is only due to the teamwork by our teachers.
Okay. The last question is goes to you, sir. That what would you say to become a bright student? What should the student do?
Yeah. Thing is that it is a overall process for a bright student. Need to focus on the aspects. Responsibilities of guardians are also lying at the same time, because right from the beginning, a child will not know everything. So it has to be, teachers has to impart education, and at the same time, the guardians also have the equal amount of responsibility to cater those students, to make them aware, learn. And most important thing is that people should be aware of what is called actual education. Just securing marks in the exam is not all enough. Apart from securing marks, to become a good human being is the most important thing, and that is a process that needs to be taken by each and every citizen of India, I believe. And that is my. I would like to extend my speech in the sense that let all people realize the fact that this is not a single process where teachers will only nurture the students and cater them to grow, but it is a joint process of the teacher as well as guardians also. The society should learn. Many ill factors are there in the society, so all these things should be abolished. We should, as a responsible citizen, we as a whole should take the responsibility that how we can nurture our students in a much more best possible way, so that they become a good citizen rather than a good student. One who focuses to become a good citizen, one who focuses to be a good human being, definitely can become a bright student also.
Thank you, sir.